Hi, Kerry here from My Cloud Bookkeeping. Today we're going to look at the new Pay Down credit card feature. If you're wanting to know what features are available in all of the different plans, there is a link below, and this one's available in the Essentials and Plus plans. I'm quite excited about this feature. It makes it so much easier to record a credit card payment without doubling it up. That was something that I used to see really often. It was a very common error. So let's walk through an example together.
Now this is so simple, it's delightful. Let's say we've received our MasterCard statement, we've done our reconciliation. Not too sure why this amount is different if we've reconciled it, but the joy of the sample company. We're going to say this $217.73 is the amount on our statement. And let's pop up here, new, pay down credit card. We're going to pay our MasterCard. Now this would be if you'd set up MasterCard as a vendor. I don't bother, but it's something that some people do choose to do. $217.73 today, and let's make this payment from that overdrawn checking account. If it was a check, this gives you the option to put the check number in. If it's just a bank transfer, you're done. Save and close. You can see here now our balance is zero, our bank overdraft has increased slightly, and we've recorded our credit card payment without having to do any transfer funds, without messing it up. And then when those come in on the bank feed, they'll match automatically, and you won't have those weird duplicated transactions that happen so often when you're using a different method to do this.
And we're done. Wasn't that quick and easy? Such a fantastic feature. So check out the blog post below. I'll walk through all the different features of the different plans. Click like, subscribe, and you'll know when the next video is out. Cheers.